Hey party people, we're going to provide you a pro tip on taking your carriage house garage door and spicing it up a little bit with these decorative magnetic hardware. Let's party. This is a brand new garage door, so the idea of putting these decorative pieces and screwing them onto your door just turns my skin. The fact that these are magnetic means that you can put them on, take them off, you can reposition them. They're ideal for giving a new look to your brand new garage door. Y'all stay safe.